Okay, we're back with part 3 of the series, Moving VR Room to the Basement. Today what we're going to do is take a look at measurements, what we're going to have to do in order to put the receiver and the DVD player up here on top of the shelf here, and move this up a bit like we discussed before, along with sound bar up in the beams for now. We also have a couple other different things we have to take into consideration. The power for one of the woofers, and not sure how we're going to do that one yet because that has to stay on the ground, so probably just be an ugly extension cord, but we'll try to find something that looks nice. And at that point, Sexy Tech, can you think of anything else that needs to be done besides moving the actual power box outlet up above so we can actually get anything else plugged in? Is there anything else you can think of?
Not at the moment.
All right, great. So let's get into that. I just discovered something that I completely forgot about. The power strip actually has, I believe, between a 6 and 8 foot cable, but we probably don't want to run that up along the wall here. It's not going to look nice, and Sexy Tech is just shaking her head no. So that's still going to stay the same. Oh yeah, another thing I didn't mention was moving the speakers, the rear speakers up to there, but all the wirings in the back should be rather simple to run that directly to the receiver. Alright, everything's disconnected from the receiver except for the power cord, and that's what we're trying to get at. Everything else for the speakers themselves can be redone in length if need be. Like I said, our biggest concerns are the lengths of the power cords. This one was, what, purchased early 2000s, wasn't it?
Late 90s?
No, that was the Onkyo.
Oh.
So this one was about 2005. It wasn't recent, that's for sure. Maybe 2010.
It's an antique.
Cat toy! Yay! Cat toy! Woo! Oh yeah. I think the cat gets sick and tired of it, and then they just throw it under. They say, "Hey, I can't find it. I need more." Uh-huh. These cables ran to that. Okay, we're moving on to the power outlet, and we're gonna just get this face plate removed, and from there we're gonna go to the back and and remove that, and then put that up there. We're in the back here behind the wall where the outlet will come out, and I'm going to show you exactly what I have for wiring. It wasn't the prettiest job, but I did it anyways, and we're going to make it prettier this time around and get this all set up. So here you go. Alright, let's go out a little bit. See, that's the wire that we're concerning ourselves with. And that is the box that we do need to remove. And so we're going to be taking that out of the wall and putting it up over there. Probably right on the furthest beam that you see there. And I'll go from there. So that is the plan. We'll also be removing some of these wires. It looks like we're gonna have to use a screwdriver, which I did bring, so. Okay, now we're going to move back to the other side and try to get things taken care of over there. So we're going to probably have to find some screws, get that screwed up once we figure out the length of everything. So here we go, we're back in the other area. Okay, a little bit of change of plans here. What we're looking to do is actually maybe get another one of these and just run it up above the TV where it's going to be, and that way we really don't have to worry about any of those other outlets being too short, or not outlets, but power cords being too short and have to accommodate that way. So that is what that's going to look like at this point in time. A 4 foot from here will definitely bring us right over the TV, no problem, maybe a little bit longer, so that will definitely work out as we were thinking. And what's the length of those cables?
That's
Power
just
cables.
over 5 foot.
So actually, let's see, 5 foot, I'm about 5'9". So yeah, if we just put this right here on the side, this should work just fine. Oh yeah, most definitely.
And the other one is quarter longer.
Oh, you mean that one right there? That I'm gonna put in my computer room?
No, the woofer.
Oh, the woofer cord. Oh, gotcha. Power cord. Okay, the woofer power cord is longer than the one for the actual cool system I have. So, okay, well, what we need to do is just go out and get another one of these to set that up. But I guess let's get this all going, get that put up. We know we can put that up right now, so we just need to find some screws to put that in. Okay, we just got back from a big box store and picked up a 8 foot. We really were talking about getting a 6 foot right here, but we couldn't find one in all black, which will blend in nicely with the cabinet here. So it's not really a cabinet, is it?
It's more of a shelf.
Yeah, more of a shelf, and you know, tomato, you know. So the shelf.
It's the IKEA Helix, if anybody wants to know.
Yes, and you can see that particular construction of this up in the video that I'll put up in here. And so I'll put that up for you if you want to see how that went together. Now, what I was saying was that this is going to go over here. We couldn't find a 6-footer in black, so we just had to go with a 8-foot cord. So we're going to replace that with this, get that all hung, and then call it a day. So let's get into that. What? We should ooh. So, ooh.
Recording for a second.
I'm sorry, what was that?
That's the recording for a second.
It is an oops, huh? Go ahead.
It didn't miss anything important. It's just literally like a second.
Okay. There we go. We have the screws in place, and they should be tight enough where they're not actually level, but they should be tight enough where it's going to just pull it onto the bookshelf or the shelf, and it's just going to stay there like that. So that's pretty good. I could put another one down here, but I'm not going to play that game right now. Maybe a little bit later after we get everything all ran, and it'll probably just stay just fine once I get this cable all routed. So I'm not going to worry too much about it. We're going to move on and actually call this a day today. Thank you for coming by and watching my blunders and sexy texts and my banter back and forth. If you enjoy that, put it down in the comments. We would like to know if you like to see that stuff. If not, we'll just keep it out. We think it's fun, cute, and all that other good stuff. So if we can bring a little smile to your face that way, as well as show you our projects and what we're doing and what fun we're having, please let us know. There we go. We have everything all connected up. Not quite the way I want it. It will be taken care of a little bit later, but we're just trying to get everything all put together here. As you saw, we got the wires ran a little bit, got the outlet box there taken care of. So we're going to just call it a day today. And this is Chris.
And Stacy.
Saying out.